Hi viewer, this is another video, Logos class tutorial. So we were here, I think we were at the statistics. Now this is the setting. In the setting you can see the page title, which is here, and this is the description, email, language, and the currency, and the week starts on, and the time zones, and this is the latest listing, as you can see here. So the latest listing, which is number of 60. You can see here these are 60 I'm showing, and search page show 20. So if I click on search, it will give me the results of 20. Okay, 20 listing. And this should be also check to see the subcategories. The main categories, this should be not allowed, this should be always allowed. If you have purchases from market, like I have this tab, as I have at my market, because I have these purchases, and so this would be your ID, and these are the auto update features, which are all unchecked, and you should also keep it unchecked. This is the category options. What is a category? Category is like, let me show. This is the category. Okay, this is the category: electronic, sale, vehicles, and inside this main category, these are subcategories. So you can create this is for sale main category, and you can see these are the subcategories. And the website should be look like this: the main category and the subcategory. Here, electronics, you can see computer accessories, and electronics, computer accessories. So these are the subcategories. Okay, so another thing is look comments. As I am not allowing the comments, so I will not discuss it, because comments are not good for the websites. Some people do it anyway. You can allow people, you can allow user to comment on your website, but I am not allowing people, so I will not discuss this in details. This is a location. Location is like for example, if you go to my website, and here you go the languages. So I have Arabics, and no, sorry, this is the language section. If you go to post an ad, so you can see that if you want to select a region, here you will see that as this website for the UAE users, so here only UAE area will be shown: Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Ajman, the rest of the country, the rest of the United countries. So it will show here, as this is the United Arab Emirates country. So my country is in location is that. It can be also United States and Canada and UK and Pakistan and India, the rest of the country you can add it. Okay, so if you click on this, it will show you Abu Dhabi and some others, and if you click on Dubai, it will give you the more details. It is also comes along it is also come in a uh, in a pre-installed way, but you can also add new. You can add new here, you can add new country here, you can add new area here, you can add new local area here. So you can edit it according to your needs of the classifieds. Okay, so from where we can get these locations? So if you go to google.com, and I will click on OS class geo geo. This is the geodata for the OS class. You can see it is alphabetically are listed. So Afghanistan in the top, Albania, Algeria, Andorra. So you can download this in your website, in your OS class script. How we can upload it? You can upload it through here, import data. Okay, so import data, you will browse that file and you will select that, and after import data, it will be available here in your location. It will be available here in your location area. So you can download it from there. From here you can download it, which is SQL format, and then you can upload it here by import data. Okay, so this is about the locations. Now the email templates. The email templates are prepaid. These are the templates, and you can edit it. For example, I have edited in my own way. I'm using this image and these text, but in if you install the fresh OS class, it would be not like this. But hardly you should change it, because the way it comes and the way it delivers is also smart enough, so it is good enough, so you should not change it. Okay, email templates. So these are the email templates. For example, if user will validate, so the validation email will be sent, the registration will be sent. If you want to send to print, these are for the alert. So different kind of this is for the admin. The admin will get the notification about some email, some activity. Okay, so after that we will come to languages. Here you can see lots of languages, and how we can get these languages. If we go to the market, here are the languages, you can see. So lots of languages are available. You can download it and it will be appear here, and you can edit by this. You can remove, disable, enable, or you can add new one. Okay, so this is for the languages, and the rest of the thing we will discuss in the upcoming video. Take care. Thanks for watching.